According to a new study, eating 3 walnuts a day can help improve your overall health. The study, which was conducted by the National Institutes of Health, found that eating 3 walnuts a day can help improve your cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. Walnuts are a good source of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. They also contain vitamins and minerals that can help improve your health. For example, walnuts are a good source of magnesium, which is important for bone health. They also contain copper, which is important for blood health. The study found that people who ate 3 walnuts a day had lower levels of LDL cholesterol and higher levels of HDL cholesterol. LDL cholesterol is the bad cholesterol that can clog arteries and lead to heart disease. HDL cholesterol is the good cholesterol that helps remove LDL cholesterol from the body. The study also found that people who ate 3 walnuts a day had lower blood pressure and blood sugar levels. These benefits were seen in both men and women. So why not add 3 walnuts to your daily diet? They may just help you improve your overall health. Hope you enjoy this video. Kindly subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.